Mommy makeover really is a marketing term, and most people think of it as an abdominoplasty, a breast lift, or a breast reduction combined with some form of liposuction. Most people that would be a candidate for mommy makeover have had their kids, or they've had a weight loss. Downtime for mommy makeover is basically, we're talking about an abdominoplasty and breast lift or breast reduction, so it's probably around 10 days, 2 weeks total recovery. Most mommy makeovers, when we're talking about abdominoplasty and breast lift or breast reduction, the difference that I do, we talk about making a belly button, and I think we've talked about that in some other videos, to where I call it a neo-umbilicus, where there is no scar around the belly button. Well, most people heal within complete healing of a mommy makeover. It's just like any other surgery. It takes about 6 weeks to see the full results and for all the scarring to mature. But the scars are going to be there kind of red for 6 months or a year, and they fade over time. If you're interested, or you're wondering if you're a candidate for a mommy makeover, call Stevens Plastic Surgery to see if we can schedule a consult for you.